Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1461 at Hilton Petaling Jaya. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and makeup room switches, and various light switches for the room. Right here we have the bathroom. And inside the bathroom, to the right, we have the bathtub, as well as a window to look into the bedroom. We have the sink area with all the towels and amenities. Huge mirror. Hello. Here we have the shower area with a dual handheld and rain shower setup. The toilet is right there. And right opposite the bathroom is the wardrobe area. Here we have some wardrobe space with a storage area above. And down here we have the in-room safe as well as some drawers. Behind these doors, below, in-room slippers, an iron. The ironing board is off to the left. We have more storage right above. And here we have hangers together with bathrobes. Okay, so that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have a full-length mirror. Right opposite it is the pantry area with another mirror, a light right above, and we also have the usual pantry stuff like bottles of water, the kettle, mugs, glasses, all the tea and coffee making stuff. Here we have a drawer. And down below, we have the fridge. The fridge is empty, so you can put your own items in there. Place to put your luggage. Flat screen Samsung TV. Here we have the desk area with obviously the chair, the bin, in-room telephone, and all the hotel amenities and stuff. There we have a couple of power outlets together with a light switch. And here we have the bed. It is quite comfortable. On the left bedside table, we have a drawer, a bit of a storage place right above, and we have light switches and a power outlet. Right above is a light. Another look at the window from the bedroom into the bathroom. Here we have the climate control panel and another power outlet down below. Okay, so for the right bedside table, we have a drawer, a clock, another power outlet, more light switches, the in-room telephone, writing material, TV remote, and a light right above. Here we have a standing light, a table, and an armchair. As for the view out of the window, it is nighttime so you can't see much, but we have buildings next to the hotel. A road also next to the hotel. And we have the Federal Highway right there. Okay, so this is the view out of the window the next morning. As mentioned the night before, you can see the buildings next to the hotel, the road behind the hotel. You can see the buildings in the distance, and again, that is the Federal Highway. I forgot to show this last night, but you have two LED reading lights below the bedside table lights. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1461 at Hilton Petaling Jaya. Thanks for watching and goodbye.